This is my back deck. Look how high the snow mound is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is one high. Look at this is my front door at the bottom. Look at the snow trend. Look at the wall. That's the door. And look, the drifts are so high. That's a drift there. It's so cold. Snow. Look at the drifts outside. They're just like little mountain peaks. This was after our blizzard. Snow was just high. Just everywhere. There's just snow everywhere. Big old peaks. Can't believe it. That's my deck. My deck is like covered in snow. Anyway, this is the blizzard aftermath. Well, everywhere you look, as far as you can see, there's mountains of snow. Okay, bye.